A steak crashes onto blazing cast iron, and the kitchen instantly smells deeper, smokier, almost primal. Somehow, this heavy black pan makes food taste louder. For generations, cooks swore cast iron made everything richer. Crispy potatoes, sweet cornbread, even onions tasted darker and more complex. Scientists finally found the reason, and it starts with heat. Not just hot heat. Relentless heat that barely drops when cold food lands. Thin stainless steel cools almost instantly. Cast iron stays fiercely hot, holding energy like a brick oven trapped inside metal. That stability changes everything. Moisture evaporates faster, surfaces dry quicker, browning begins almost immediately. And browning is flavor. The moment proteins and sugars collide under intense heat, hundreds of aromatic compounds erupt into the air. This is the Maillard reaction, the same chemistry behind toasted bread, roasted coffee, and the crust on a perfect burger. But cast iron pushes that reaction harder because the pan keeps feeding heat into every inch of food touching its surface. Then there is the seasoning, that glossy black layer built from years of oil transformed by fire into hardened polymers. It is not grease anymore. It becomes a microscopic cooking shell, smooth enough to release eggs, yet rugged enough to trap flavor. Every meal leaves behind another invisible layer. Smoke, fat, and heat slowly season the pan like edible history. That surface also grips tiny droplets of oil differently, creating sharper frying and louder crunch in foods like chicken skin and hash browns. Chefs describe it as aggressive contact. More pressure, more direct heat, more crust in less time. Even vegetables behave differently. Mushrooms lose water faster and concentrate into something almost meaty. Cornbread climbs taller because the pan blasts heat upward from below the instant batter touches the surface. And listen closely when food hits cast iron. That violent hiss is moisture escaping at incredible speed. Less trapped moisture means less steaming, and steaming softens flavor instead of concentrating it. Researchers even found tiny amounts of iron can move into acidic foods like tomato sauce while cooking. Not enough to taste like metal, but enough to subtly deepen savory notes hiding underneath the acidity. So the secret was never nostalgia alone. Cast iron changes heat, chemistry, moisture, and texture all at once, turning ordinary food into something unforgettable. Smoke rose, sugars sang, fat glazed, crust snapped, steam fled, butter browned, salt bloomed, iron stayed, smoke sweetened, hands knew, pans waited, Sunday simmered, flavor lingered.